Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? It's full home today because the kids didn't go to school. Hi Rumzy. Hi AJ. AJ, can you say hello to us?
Hello.
And AJ lost her tooth. Our first tooth. Can we see AJ? Come closer. Oh, guys, she was so happy. She was like, "Oh, let me go show my brother. Let me go show my brother." I'm like, "Okay." Normally, they don't do TV on weekdays, but I think Obi allowed them. To what time? What time did they say you guys should stop using TV?
Two.
Till 2 p.m. So, yes, it's 2 p.m. So, they're going to be enjoying the TV to 2 p.m. So, let me show you guys what outside looks like. The snow is really much. And guys, I noticed I wasn't looking into the camera. I mean, into the, yes, the camera. I'm sorry for that because the screen is here, so it's always, you get tempted looking at your face. So I'm going to try to focus on the camera. So I want to show you guys what it looks outside. Sorry for the change of light, the brightness from outside. So, and can you hear? It's really windy. I don't know if you guys can hear that. It's really windy. Like, this is almost to the tip. Like, can you guys see? It's almost coming inside. And see, I left some peppers out here. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, my son. Yeah,
I reminded you yesterday, but you forgot to get it.
I didn't even hear you. So Rumzy said he reminded me yesterday. So last week when I went to shop, my freezer was full. Like, and I'm like, oh, thank God it's winter. So I left some things outside. June, I can't even remember what particularly I left out there, but I think it's pepper. The frozen pepper I usually use. I don't know what I want to do now. I should be juicing for the kids today. I should juice orange. I should make orange juice and apple juice for them today, and maybe dinner. I don't know what to fix for dinner, but it's just afternoon though. Obi is taking a nap. I'm going to go take a nap too because I slept late. I was trying to study and get how to use my laptop. I mean, sorry, I have to use my, I just stopped that, how to use my camera because I need to know how to I need to maximize using this camera, right? So it took me some time, and I'm sure you guys will notice the picture is a bit clearer, even though I'm not using any lighting except for the normal light in the house, which normally I would have used like a proper photography light. But I think I like it. It's not so harsh, it's cool. But guys, let me know. And there is another issue with my volume, with my sound. I know a few people chatted me or dropped a comment that the voice, my previous videos, the voice were low, the sound were low. And I also tried looking into that, and I hope this sound is okay. So please, if you've experienced any issue with my sound before, please let me know, and let me know if this sound is okay, because I changed the settings, and I hope it's actually okay because I really spent so much time trying to study and get the best. And I thought to myself, I think I'll probably go take a photography class. I hope it doesn't get to that, but if it does, definitely I have to do that because since it's what I love doing, I need to get, and I always like getting the best out of things. AJ, please, can you reduce? So I need to encourage you guys to watch, right? So I need to encourage you guys to watch. If you have a clear picture and sounds, I believe it's going to encourage you guys to watch. And thank you guys. So I have an intro now. I have an intro video. So I'm going to be inserting it now, and you guys should tell me what you feel about it. So I didn't do that myself. I contacted someone to do that for me, and because I've been busy, I've been actually working on it myself wanting to do a ball. I don't know why, I just felt probably because I wanted to really do collage videos, and I couldn't really, I didn't really have time, let me just put it that way, to sit down and edit it. So I got someone to do it for me. But probably the next one, I'll probably try do it myself, and I'll be changing that soon anyway. But I think it's still okay to start with. So guys, let me know. So I'm gonna be inserting my intro now and my outro also at the end of the video.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through.
So guys, it's another day, and what do you guys think about the intro I just inserted? So let me know what your thoughts is about the intro, and at the end of the video you guys are going to be seeing the outro as well. So please kindly put your comments in the comment section and let me know if you love it. And I'm sure you guys noticed there's a change in the banner color. I was using white and red, but now it's purple. So my banner is now up and the main color is purple. I'm sure you guys might have noticed it, and if you haven't noticed it, go check it and let me know what you think about that as well. The print is gold and white, so it still have a bit of white, and that makes it cool for me. So guys, back to the reason I was so emotional last night. After I took a nap, when I woke up, I was filming the process of juicing for the kids. I said I was going to juice in earlier clip. So I made orange, apple, and carrot juice, and I also showed how I take care of my juicer, because I know a few people told me they weren't going to get a juicer because of all the compartments and all that, like washing it and taking care of it might be a bit of challenge. And I told them no, this Breville juicer is so perfect. Like, it was part of the thing I checked when I was going to purchase the juicer. So I filmed how I care for the juicer whenever I finish using it and all that, so many other things. I also filmed how I take my pictures for Instagram, pictures and videos. But guys, at the end of it, it was a disaster. Like, when I was going to transfer the media to my laptop, the memory card says file or media corrupt or something was corrupted. Guys, it was so painful, and it wasn't as if this was the first time this would happen. Like, so many things, you can ask other YouTubers or any social media person that do things. Like, sometimes you might film and at the end you won't, your media might be missing, or there might be videos without sound. So many things happen. I've experienced a few things, and I just know it's part of those things, though they're not always easy. We're filming it, especially when it comes to recipe. Like, you're done using the recipes for the food, that means that video is gone. That has actually happened to me before. You get, like, when I did moi moi, I'm sure you guys have not seen any video of me doing moi moi, and at the end some clips were missing and all that. So I just thought it's one of, all along I used to just take it as one of those things and just move on. If it's something I can refilm, I do it, and if not, I just create another recipe. But last night, oh my god, I don't know what was wrong with me. Like, guys, I felt so sad and I became so cranky that even my kids were trying to take part of my dinner. Excuse me. Even my kids wanted to eat part of my food because I prepared something different for them, right? And I was like, no, 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 no. But just a few minutes after that, I realized that, oh, why do you have to be this harsh on the kids and all that? So I just calmed down and called them to come eat with me. We ate and we prayed. We just did the normal thing we usually do before bedtime, and prayed together, and they went to bed. So guys, my mom called me and my sister. They called on a video call, and I forgot to mention that immediately I tried using the memory card. Like when immediately I found out, I was so angry that I pieces the memory card and threw it away. Like I've never been that angry in my life, and I was so close to tears. I could even feel my eyes. My eyes were wet a bit, so that means tears was actually dropping. But I just braved up and just continued with what I was doing at that time. So fast forward to when my mom called. So my mom and my sister called on a video call, and they were both like, "What's wrong with you? What's wrong?" I tried to wave it away, and I was still sipping my juice because I was actually having my juice at that time. I was sipping my juice, and they were like, "What's wrong with you? What?" And I'm like, "I'm not just happy." And I explained what happened to them. My mother was like, "Oh, it's okay. It's part of those things. That don't worry. I've been watching your video." Like she was even watching everything from beginning to day. My sister said same thing, and I was like, "Oh, thank you guys. What can I do with guys without you guys? Like, thank you so much. God bless you." Like it was just something like that. Like thanking them, and I was smiling somehow. Guys, that was how my mom now said, "What's your watch hour?" Let's, because of course I've hit my 1,000 subscribers, and we're waiting for the watch hour, 4,000 watch hour. And I was like, okay, let me go check. So when I just logged in and I saw the analytics, I was like, what? Like, okay, I didn't go to the watch hour now. I just went to the analytics, and I saw my last video had like 193 views. I'm not so sure, but I think about that was like one over 190 and close to 200. And he had just 16 likes and maybe 6 comments. Guys, that was so depressing. Like I was like, why are people like this? Like, why would you guys watch and not like the video? Like, and I'm always saying this whenever I shoot my videos. Like, it's not as if I'm coming out to blame anyone here, because I was surprised when my sister said, "Oh, she doesn't know too, she doesn't do that." My friend called me yesterday as well, and so many people reach out to me and were like, "Oh, really, they don't do that, they are guilty of this and all that." So back to when I realized that, I now pick up my phone. I didn't just know what to do. And I pick up my phone. I started posting things on my WhatsApp, like, guys, I hope I can still find it and show you on the screen. I hope so. I hope I'll be able to get it and show you on the screen. So I was like, guys, please, when you watch my video, kindly comment on the video and like. And I was just funny, and sometimes I knew I was harsh with some of the words. Like I think I asked that, would you be charged extra data for commenting and liking? And so many people laughed about it and all that. And I'm like, please, nobody should come chat me on my WhatsApp. What I meant at that point was, when you watch a video on either Instagram or YouTube, put the comments there, because I know so many of my close friends, so many of my friends come to my WhatsApp and send me their comments, and most of the time I usually send them back. Please, this comment, just copy and paste on the YouTube channel. And so many people reach out to me. I know I'm blessed with so many lovely people around me. Like, so many people stay chatting me, stay encouraging me. And really, it was when the messages were coming, and I thought, okay, so people really actually got the message, even more than what I expected. Like, they were like, "No, Dio, you can't give up now." And and this was so, like, this really raised my spirit, lifted my spirit up. And I'm like, oh my God, so many people enjoy what I am doing. So many people actually take time to check your stories and put read meanings to it and all that. So I really appreciate you guys. Thank you all. Thank you to those that reached out to me. It was really a nice period, a nice time. And I know myself, like, I don't dwell on things that much. Like, when things are not working or anything, I try to get out of it. And I was so happy. It took me less than an hour to get out of that mood. So many people called, so many people chatted me. And the main reason I wanted to talk about this was because another lady chatted me last night, and she was just lamenting and telling me how business has been slow and how she knows COVID also have an impact on these, and her kids are small, and she feels she's doing a lot, and I could actually reason with what she was saying. And she was like, she's just tired. I now told her that, see, I understand, I've been through this. Just earlier, before you started chatting me, I was crying. And she was like, oh, she's even actually crying right now. And after all our discussion, I just felt, guys, women go through a lot. Guys, I just noticed this video is going to be very, very long. I'm going to try as much as possible not to make it too long, but if it's too long, I would break it, but I don't think there is any need. But let me just round up here and just say, let's support ourselves. Let's check up on other women. Like, women go through a lot. She really opened up to me to the extent I didn't expect. But you know, it was because she saw that she felt we're going through the same thing at that point. So let's support ourselves. Let's check up on ourselves. And even when you see someone being brave out there, being strong, and looking as if everything works out, please encourage them. Let them know that they have a sister in their corner. They have a sister they can talk to, because most of the time we just go out there and look like everything is perfect. We look like a superwoman. And you know, even my sister and my mom, they were so surprised last night seeing me in that mood. I'm sure they've not seen me in that mood in years. And even me, I didn't want to open up. I was trying to hide it, but they could see it in me. So this message is for all the women out there, all the mothers, ladies. We are strong. We know that we are strong, but it's okay to be tired. It's okay to cry out. I felt like I was so happy. Like, I'm almost close to crying now. Like, I felt I was so relieved yesterday when I cried. Like, it's okay to cry out. Like, if you need to scream, please scream it out. And if you need to talk to a friend, talk to a friend. If you have someone you can confide in, please do. Let's not suffer in silence. Women, we really need to support ourselves. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If you do, please kindly click the like button. And also, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly subscribe and click the notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop new videos. And don't forget to leave a comment as well. If you've not been following me on my Instagram page, please do follow me on my Instagram page. I'm going to leave the handles. I have a full Instagram page where I share recipes and I share pictures, inspiring pictures that can inspire you to think of what to make for your family or for yourself. I'll be going live on the 6th of February, which is this coming Saturday. You can leave in the comment section what you would like to hear or see, or what would you like me to bring to you. So guys, please don't forget, let's make it a date on Saturday. Until then, stay blessed. Bye.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days